Hi Brian, my name is Michael Doolali with Tameron Hyundai, and I'm your personal VIP consultant. Thank you so much for inquiring about the 2017 Hyundai Sonata. Now you did not specify a particular color or trim or package. However, you can see we have many Sonatas for you to choose from. Whatever color, whatever package that you need, we have it here on lot or we can get it. So let me take a few minutes and show you some of the features of the Sonata. Now I took the liberty of just picking out one just to show you some of the features. Now the Sonata comes with everything from you can get blind spot detector, you can get leather seating, you can get all the benefits and features that you want in the Sonata. It's just a matter of deciding what it is that you want. But I'm going to show you a few features about this particular one that I picked out for you. As you see, it has beautiful wraparound lights, has alloy wheels. As you come along and look at the inside, the back seats are very roomy inside. And as you look at the interior and look at the steering wheel, you notice on the steering wheel that it has cruise control along with the media system to be a button to control the media. And in addition to that, you also have Bluetooth capability. All that's featured here on the steering wheel, so you can keep your hand on the steering wheel for safety. Also features a backup touch screen that doubles as a backup camera when the vehicle is in reverse. Now, the best thing about purchasing a vehicle from here at Tameron Hyundai is that it comes with America's Best Warranty, and what that includes is a 5-year with 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 5-year unlimited roadside assistance warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion warranty, and also you receive a 10-year or 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. However, here at Tameron Hyundai, that is not good enough because we would double that to 20 years or 200,000 miles. So here's what I'd like for you to do now. Listen very closely to me, Brian. Here's what I'd like for you to do. Come close, listen to me. What I'd like for you to do at this point in time, Brian, is stop what you're doing, pick up the phone, and give me a call. That's right, give Michael Doolali a call here at Tameron Hyundai. I may be reached at 205-380-6250. Once again, the telephone number is 205-380-6250. Thanks much. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Oh yeah, let me also mention before I go is that you had inquired about, had some questions about the E-Plan. Let me tell you, that's a great plan, and if once you call me, we'll set up an appointment, and we'll show you how to get the best price ever on your new Sonata. Just pick up the phone and give me a call. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care for now.